Hi, my name is Awais Ahmad. Welcome to Windows Security Settings. After watching this video, you will be able to explain the purpose and features of User Access Control or UAC, compare and contrast BitLocker and BitLocker to Go, and explain the role of the encrypting file system or EFS in Windows security. User Account Control UAC enhances security as it serves as an important layer of defense against unauthorized changes, malware, and other security threats. It helps maintain the integrity and security of the Windows operating system. Also, it promotes best practices through pop ups or prompts, ensuring that users are made aware of potentially risky actions and are actively involved in decision making. There are two main prompts: the consent prompt and the credential prompt. The consent prompt verifies an action by asking the user's permission when an action requires administrative privileges, such as installing software, changing system settings, or accessing certain protected areas. The credential prompt pops up requesting administrative credentials when a standard user attempts an action that requires administrative privileges. A user must provide the username and password of an administrator account to proceed with the action. This ensures that only authorized people can make critical system changes. BitLocker drive encryption provides data protection by encrypting the system drives or data drives. It protects data from unauthorized access by using encryption technology to convert data into unreadable ciphertext. So even if the drive falls into the wrong hands, the data remains inaccessible without the correct decryption key. BitLocker supports various authentication methods, including passwords, PINs, smart cards, and automatic unlocking through the Trusted Platform Module or TPM. TPM is a special microchip that enables secure cryptographic key storage and processing as well as other security related functions. BitLocker can be integrated into Active Directory, allowing centralized management and recovery key escrow. BitLocker to Go, on the other hand, extends the functionality of BitLocker encryption to removable storage devices, such as USB drives and external hard drives. It encrypts the data stored on these devices with strong encryption algorithms, ensuring the security and protection of the information even if the device is lost, stolen, or shared with others. Encrypting File System (EFS) transparently encrypts files and folders on NTFS volumes, protecting the sensitive information stored in them. EFS provides transparent encryption. Once EFS encrypts a file or folder, it can be accessed by any other file, with the encryption and decryption processes running automatically and in the background. EFS operates at the file level and allows you to selectively encrypt individual files or folders. This gives you the flexibility to decide which files or folders you want to encrypt, depending on how sensitive they are or what protection they need. EFS encryption can be applied to files stored locally on the computer or in shared folders on the network. EFS integrates with the NTFS file system, making it compatible with the NTFS features and permissions. In addition, EFS uses Windows user accounts and associated encryption keys to control access to encrypted files. This means that only users with the correct credentials and encryption keys can decrypt and access the encrypted data. In this video, you learned that UAC features enhance security and protect against unauthorized changes and malware. BitLocker encrypts system and data drives, while BitLocker to Go extends BitLocker encryption to removable storage devices. And EFS automatically encrypts and decrypts files and folders on NTFS volumes,